The last ritual of Hijam Hemanjit Singh, son of Hijam Ibungobi Singh of Takel Kolom Laikai in Imphal West District, was performed today at Takel Kolom Laikai. As advised by the Panji, the last ritual of Hijam Hemanjit Singh was performed at 7:40 am this morning at Takel Kolom Laikai. Customarily, his dead body was represented by the pangong tree and then cremated. Patsoy ACMLA Sapam Keba Singh also attained the ritual. In this regard, Hijam Ibungobi Singh, father of Hemanjit, expressed that his son Hemanjit was missing on July 6, 2023. Lastly, he was detected at Jaujangtek along Old Kasar Road. Jaujangtek is a Kuki-dominated area, and it is believed that he was killed at the area by the Kuki miscreants. We demand a remnant of Hemanjit. We would like even a single bone or a dress of Hemanjit. Our agitation demanding the remnant of Hemanjit shall not stop. He appealed the people of Manipur to support the agitation to find the remnant of Hemanjit.
Isabu satu satu ani sibu hatok piraga nungai ba phawri bo kangbu ngasidi haksang bu pibide ai ase asukumiti wa ba haidu oire aduna ai awa ba si urga nakoi gi nungai ba mapung phata phongdo ko oiro ko ai isabu amusu ai isaki mawan tabu halibu nakoi mem ai awa fi u nakoi na nakoi gi nungai ba do ale paletana nungai ro ko I am telling those people who are killing my son and my son's friend Luang Bi, after seeing my face, I and our family is how much sorrow after looking this phenomenon. You all of those people killing my son and daughter, you perform your full of your happiness after looking my face and all the see how much people are sorrow. It is very simple things. They are just 5 minutes, just seeing a scenery of the hills area. So you got a chance and asking what is their mistake, what they wrong to you. Thank you all of the demand of government. The Kangdia Matandia Koi Honaba Yabaching Koi Honizagini, Masidi Pibamna, Samazi, Santok Sanji, Yadam Kotabadu, Gumbagi Katang. Permission lobagum na yana na tawni aduga akogi left na demand ai sagi amati koi mang riba mayam gi left na demand tawjagi gini
normally thorakan ne moina adu koi tamthiraba la haiba ta koi na la jadab da la ta han bagi koi gi si lalak sidane simba koi gi koi da ngam da man ba do koi na tawbada pangan thok ta basa masi no mode ro mo ba kam tawra sungsoi soi dra asum ma thorakan haiba simba thak gi to ga sagi legak na tawning da legang na masi madi na thel ga thamba atuti isona yaro tasena koi madu gi koi lete koi sa sigi matang sida koi masing thingam na koi security advisor masing thingam chief minister governor nabre sa so ya gi ba adu phang da ba sigi lang lang cham phang da sa masi madi koi akoi se thona ba ya phana go koi na koi matam na thokune mo gi responsibility morally oi ba do koi na to pa yaroi koi jom do koi ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯇꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯃꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯥꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ